Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be doing another freight car here, and we're going to be building this 8-axle depressed center heavyweight flat car here. And as you can see, we're going to be building it loaded with an electrical transformer on the top for some added detail. So this is what it looks like. So let's get right into the build now. So we're going to start off with the coupler, so take out a dark oak stair and attach that up. Under it we're going to put a sideways dark oak bend skate. Then on the next block forward, on the bottom middle, we're going to add another dark oak bend skate. Above that, put a single red terracotta up here. Then on the next block back, on the bottom, we'll do a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then, behind this, we're going to go 3 wide with upside down black stone brick stairs and a back-to-back T-shaped pattern like this. Then behind this, another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then we'll skip 1 block back and we'll do another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then again, we're going to go 3 wide with upside down black stone brick stairs and a back-to-back T-shaped pattern. Then behind this, another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then we're going to go through and we're going to put a hopper on the side of all 8 of these wheels. Just like that. Then, on the middle of each truck, we're going to open 2 dark oak bend skates. And same thing on this side here. Then we're going to crouch, and we're going to put a wither skeleton skull on all 4 of these hoppers. And then we'll do it over here as well, so crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on all 4 of the hoppers on this side here. Just like that. Now we're going to come behind this set of wheels, put a temporary block here, and right here we're going to put 5 upside down mangrove stairs going into the wheels coming across here. Then we're going to come off the side with red terracotta, and we're going to do a line coming down the side, and that's going to be 25 blocks long in total of red terracotta. Then once you have 25 blocks, we're going to extend it all across to the other side of the tracks, so it's 5 wide and ends up being a 25 by 5. Then at this end, we'll go 5 wide with upside down mangrove stairs like this. Then, right behind these stairs, we'll do a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we'll go 3 wide with upside down black stone brick stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then skip 1 block and do another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then again, we'll go 3 wide with upside down black stone brick stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern. And behind this, 1 more set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then go through and we're going to put a hopper on the side of all 8 of these wheels. Then on the middle of each truck, we're going to open 2 dark oak bend skates. And then same thing on this side. Then we're going to crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on all 4 of these hoppers. And then we'll do the same thing on this side, crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on all 4 of these hoppers here. Then we're going to come on the end of this in the middle on bottom. And we're going to crouch and we're going to put 2 sideways dark oak bend skates in the center. Then above this first one, a red terracotta. And on the second one here, a dark oak stair going this way for the coupler. Now we're going to come on top of the middle, 1 block behind these mangrove stairs, and put 5 inward facing quartz stairs here. Turn around on this end, 1 block before the mangrove stairs, and 5 quartz stairs facing inward here. Then behind these stairs, we're going to do 2 rows of 5 red terracotta, and behind that, a 3 by 3 of red terracotta on the top middle of this truck. Then we'll repeat it at the other end. So behind these stairs, 5 red terracotta, and another 5. Behind that, a 3x3. Then we're going to come up here, and we're going to put 5 cord stairs here. Come to this end, and put 5 cord stairs right here. Then, behind these stairs, 1 row of 5 red terracotta, then a row of 3 in the middle, then 3 mangrove stairs, then 3 mangrove slabs. And of course, repeat it down here. So a row of 5 red terracotta, then 3 in the middle, then 3 mangrove stairs, and then 3 mangrove slabs. Then we're going to come in and grab red stained glass pane. And we're going to put 2 in this corner, and then 2 in this corner. And then same thing at this end. We're going to put 2 in this corner, and then 2 in this corner. Now right here, we're going to put a deep slate brick wall in the middle, nether brick fence on either side. Then 4 red terracotta across this top middle here. And then up here, 2 rows of 5 mangrove slabs on the upper hitbox. Repeat it on this side. So up here, do 2 rows of 5 slabs on the upper hitbox. Then we have to do the same thing at the opposite end. So in the center right here, a deep slate brick wall, nether brick fence on either side. Then 4 red terracotta down the middle. And on the upper hitbox, 2 rows of 5 mangrove slabs up here. And then same thing over here, 2 rows of 5 slabs right here. Now come on top of this, and right here we're going to put a single mangrove fence and close the jungle trapdoor on. Then we're going to put a mangrove fence gate on this corner and this corner. Then we're going to come up right here, and we're going to put 2 sideways anvils right here. In front of it, a wither skeleton skull. Then 1 here. Then we're going to come down over here and crouch. And we're going to put 2 sideways lightning rods going this way here. Then in the middle, 2 going this way here. Then we'll put a wither skeleton skull right here. Then we're going to come up on the side here, put a fence gate here, and 1 here. Then come down to this end, put a fence gate here, here, then 1 on this corner, and 1 right here. Then come stand on the top of this, put a mangrove fence here, close the trapdoor on it. Then a wither skeleton skull here, 2 sideways anvils here, then 2 lightning rods going this way here, and 2 going this way here, and finally a wither skeleton skull right here. Now we're going to grab iron trapdoors. Up here, do a row of 5, and here do a row of 3. Same thing at this end, so 5 here, and 3 here. Then come down here and do 2 rows of 5 on the bottom right here. And then come to this end and do 2 rows of 5 on bottom right here. Now take out an oak sign, and we're going to put 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to go to this side and put 1 here and 1 here. And we repeat the process on the other end. So come down here, 1 here, 1 here. And then get this side, 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to come over here and put 2 birch buttons on the side here and 1 here. Repeat it down here. So 1 here, 2 here. Then we'll get the other side. 2 birch buttons here, 1 here. Then come down here. 2 birch buttons here and 1 there. Then on this bottom edge, we're going to start here with our oak signs. And we're going to place a single oak sign coming down the side with 2 empty blocks of space between each sign. And we're going to repeat that process down to the other end here. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. So start in this corner with an oak sign. And just keep putting a single oak sign with 2 blocks of space between each one. And bring that down to this end on this side. And I misplaced that one here. Only 2 blocks of space between them. Then we'll grab birch button again. Come on this middle, 2 here, 2 here. And then we'll put 2 over here and 2 over here. And now the car is basically done, and we're going to build a load. If you want to have an empty car, just build the whole rest of this bottom middle section with iron trapdoors. But we're actually going to do a load on ours. So take smooth stone block. We're going to come right here and go 5 wide with it. And then come all the way down the outside edge till you get here. Back across here. And then all the way back up this side. And then we're simply going to raise this all up 5 blocks wide here, and we're going to make it a total of 6 blocks tall. Just like that. And we'll go around all the other sides to make it 6 blocks tall in a giant rectangle here. Then once we have that, we'll go ahead and fill the whole top of this with smooth stone block as well. And bring that down to the other end. Then we're going to come out on the side of this, 1 block in from the end, with stone brick walls. And on the side of this, we're going to do a column of 6 walls coming up. And we're going to come down the side doing a column of walls every other block. And just keep it coming down the side here. Then we'll come on top and aligned with the column of walls on the side, we'll do a row of 5 walls across the top every other block, making sure it's aligned with the walls on the side here. And then we'll do this side. Same thing, every other block. We're going to do a column of 6 stone brick walls on the side, and making sure it's aligned with the walls on top, so it all lines up. And bring that right down to this end. Then next, we're going to add some more details to take out a skeleton skull. And we're going to come down here, put 1 here, here, and here. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom of the other side, so we're going to come right here, do 1 here, here, and here. Then we'll move up on top, up here, 1 here, here, and here, and then 1 right here. Then we'll do this side, up in this corner, do 1 here, here, and here, and then 1 over here. Now take out birch fence gates, and on this level right here, start at one end, and we're going to put a fence gate on this level in between each wall down to the end. And then we'll do the same thing on this side on that same level. So start here and put a fence gate in between each wall down to the other end. Then on this corner, we're going to come up here and we're going to put a fence gate here, 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 and here. Then come to this side, up here, and put 1 here, 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 and here. Then come on the end here. Then on this end, we'll put 5 stone brick walls here, 5 here, and 5 on top. And then we'll repeat it down here. So we're going to come over here, we're going to put 5 stone brick walls here, 5 here, and 5 here. Then we're going to take out grindstones here. We're going to put 2 grindstones on this end, then a fence gate here, here, and here. Then the other end will be slightly different. Come to this end, 2 grindstones here, a fence gate here, 2 here, and then we'll repeat it up here. So a fence gate here, 2 grindstones, 2 fence gates. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our 8-axle depressed center heavyweight flat car with the transformer on top. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.